Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use sort function in Microsoft Excel. Here we have names, employee names. You can sort it from A to Z or Z to A since they are names. Here we have only one column. In another case, we have multiple columns. I show you how we can sort it based in different columns. Now let's start with case 1. For case 1, put cursor here, equal sign, sort. Select this formula. Select the table. I have this table, comma, sort index. Since it's only one column, so just write 1, comma. For ascending means from A to Z, you just insert 1. But if you want from Z to A, insert -1. For first time, I selected 1 and close the bracket, enter. You see, directly it sorted the names from A to Z. If you want to reverse and sort from Z to A, just come to here and change this 1 to -1. It directly sorts the names from Z to A. In case 2, for this case, just put cursor here, equal sign, sort. This one. Select the table, select this one. Control Shift downward arrow to select all the table, comma, sort index. For example, I want to sort this data according to salary. So I selected column number 4, sort index, column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, column number 4, comma. You want ascending means smallest to largest. Let us select smallest to largest, 1. Close the bracket, enter. Now let me change the format of these cells. Center, 15, make it bold. You see, now the date is changed. Let me change the date. Select these cells. Here we have short date. Okay, now this one is smallest salary. The data is arranged or sorted based on the salary. Okay, you can sort your data based on different columns. For example, designation, date of join, any column you want. That's the use of sort function in Microsoft Excel. Have a nice time.